Good evening and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I welcome you all to the M2 Farewell Iftar and Dinner 2023. We will start with the recitation of the Holy Quran by Abdul Mutal, followed by the translation by Rayyan Salman.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصم ومن كان مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم ولعلكم تشكرون صدق الله العظيم.
During the month of Ramadan, the Quran was sent down as a guidance to the people with clear signs of the true guidance as the criterion between right and wrongs. So those of you who live to see that month should fast it, and whoever is sick or on a journey should fast the same number of other days instead. Allah wants ease and not hardship for you so that you may complete the number of days required. Magnify Allah for what He has guided to you and give thanks to Him. وَمَالِنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاءِ.
Now I would like to call upon Abdul Mutal to deliver the farewell speech.
Respected teachers, worthy headmaster and deputy headmaster prep school, and my fellow batchmates, good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafiz Abdul Mutal, and today I will be giving the farewell speech to AC27. To ensure clear communication with this social media generation, hashtags and pop culture references will be used. Hashtag you're welcome. Before joining prep school in junior school, we all faced a deadly threat, the coronavirus. After spending the entire year of 2020 in complete lockdown at home, our opportunities were severely limited. Once the online classes began, no one was able to fully understand any concept in any subject because we had grown accustomed to sitting on the wooden seats next to our friends, making jokes, throwing paper balls and planes at one another. As Walter Winch once said, real friends are those who walk in when the rest of the world walks out. Hashtag thank you everyone. Our batch was the only batch to join prep school with masks on our faces throughout the day, unable to even shake hands with our own friends and lacking adequate time to get to know our teachers. On the first day of prep school, we were introverted, shy, but little did we know that after 3 years, all of us would not only be one step ahead in reaching our goals for life, but also that we would make lots of trustworthy friends and have tons of memories in prep school. A brief farewell speech will not be sufficient to convey my gratitude for my teachers' sacrifice of their time and efforts for our education. All of our teachers used to say, ask me 1,000 times if you don't understand, and I will explain it to you again and again. Hashtag thank you for being there for us. As it is said, teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. With that, our teachers deserve a huge round of applause. Together, we yelled and celebrated throughout football matches. We also enjoyed watching our basketball team thrash opponents 49-0 and us Maxi House defeating Segal and Bahawalpur House in inter-house cricket for the first time. We all worked very hard and attempted to present ourselves in the best light for our resumes, although we did not become prefects. As Charles Dickens once observed, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. During our time in junior school, we enjoyed a lot, but prep school taught us the meaning of competition, and for the first time, we were able to compete against each other in a plethora of competitions such as the inter-house activities, to mathematics quiz competitions, to language festivals. Today marks the end of our prep school life, of sweet and bitter moments to cherish all our lives. We do feel a touch of sadness but life has a tendency to move on and onward. We should be aware that we have the ability to reach perfection. The relationships we built throughout our time as seniors here will be remembered more than our grades, likes, popularity, or favorites. Well, it's not prep school that we are saying goodbye to, but the bunch of activities like games during school, and it will not be the same in senior school. I am sure that everyone will agree with me that we all will miss the canteen. Whenever the class was bunked, the canteen was the place where a group of friends relaxed, and it was the place where we attacked on all the unhealthy yet tasty snacks. टीचर की डांटें, दोस्तों की यारें, वो क्लास की पहचानें याद तो वही रहेंगी। टीचर की गैर मौजूदगी में ज़ोर ज़ोर से चीखें मारते थे, ओए मैं मागी, चुप करके वापस बैठ जाते थे। Batch 27, it's been a splendid 3 years with you. So from the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the very best for senior school. Thank you for listening, and Allah Hafiz.
Muhammad Ali will say a few words.
हेडमास्टर, डिप्टी हेडमास्टर, मुअज़्ज़िज़ असातिज़ा इकराम और मेरे हम मकतब साथियों, प्रेप स्कूल में हमारे ये आखिरी लम्हात हैं और इन लम्हात में इस मौके पर मैं तमाम तलबा की तरफ से अपने असातिज़ा के लिए इन चंद अशआर में उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा। अर्ज़ है कि संगे बेकीमत तराशा और जो हर कर दिया, संगे बेकीमत तराशा और जो हर कर दिया, शम्माए इल्म व आगही से दिल मुनव्वर कर दिया। दे जज़ा अल्लाह तू इन बाग़बाने इल्म को जिन्होंने गुंचों को खिलाया और गुल तर कर दिया। दे जज़ा अल्लाह तू इन बाग़बाने इल्म को जिन्होंने गुंचों को खिलाया और गुल तर कर दिया। खाकाए तस्वीर था मैं खाली अज़ रंग हयात, खाकाए तस्वीर था मैं खाली अज़ रंग हयात, यूँ सजाया आपने मुझको, यूँ सजाया आप सब ने मुझको के अली से बिना कर दिया। आप सब की समातों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Azan.